Hello everyone, I'm Charisma and this is the British American Resource Center. Today we'll be answering the Cambridge IELTS Book 14 Speaking Test Part 1 and the topic is future. So these are the questions and I'll be peeling them off one by one. Let's begin. The first question is, what job would you like to have 10 years from now? Well, 10 years from now is a very long time, and I think if everyone had the choice, we would all be retired from 10 years from now. However, to be more realistic, I think I would rather either be a cosmetic chemist or a cosmetic scientist. Ever since I was young, I've always had an interest in the realm of cosmetics, so I would love to work with a company that formulates either makeup products or skincare products, and especially being able to bring them here in Bangladesh, since I know that a lot of cosmetic products are imported. The next question is, how useful will English be for your future? Well, since I do plan on studying abroad, I think English will definitely be a vital part that I'll be utilizing in the future in terms of both speaking and reading as well as writing. So I think English will be a major part that I'll be using. And since I do also plan on traveling, I think since we all know that English is a universal language, then knowing bit or basic English skills will be helpful, especially if you want to communicate with the locals in other countries. The next question is, how much traveling do you hope to do in the future? As I mentioned before, I would love to travel more in the future, especially if I have the financial means. I love learning more about different cultures and heritage of different countries, and if I were to choose a specific region, then I would definitely choose Asia. As we all know, Asia has so many different countries and it's a melting pot of so many different cultures, heritage, and food, and I would love to explore more on that. Now, the fourth question is, how do you think your life will change in the future? Well, the future is very uncertain, especially for students like me who are applying to study abroad. But if I were to create a picture-perfect scenario, then I would love to be either studying in the university of my choice, in the program of my choice, as well in the country of my choice. But even though it does seem uncertain, I'm still very much optimistic of my own future. So these are my answers to the Cambridge IELTS Book 14 Speaking Test Part 1 on the topic of future. Please stay tuned to watch more of our future videos from the British American Resource Center. Bye-bye.